I made over $1 million in profit last year at the age of 21 years old using simple methods on TikTok and Shopify. I will show you what I used to start a dropshipping business with no upfront investment, the exact TikTok strategies that fueled my rapid success, Shopify tips and tricks for beginners, secrets to scaling up your e-commerce business. This is not your typical success story. It's a testament to the boundless opportunities in the world of e-commerce and social media. Whether you're a young entrepreneur or someone looking for innovative ways to make money online like kind of I did, then this video is a must-watch. There are 17 short but simple steps that if you follow, I can guarantee you will start seeing results. TikTok is a powerful platform for promoting your products in store. 1. Set up your Shopify store. If you don't already have one, create a Shopify store. Choose a niche that you're passionate about and select products to sell. 2. Product selection. Carefully choose the products you want to sell. Ideally, opt for trending or unique products that have high demand. 3. Store optimization. Design an appealing and user-friendly Shopify store. Optimize product descriptions and images to increase conversions. 4. TikTok account creation. Create a TikTok account if you don't have one. Use a catchy and related username. 5. Content creation. Develop engaging and visually appealing content related to your products and niche. TikTok content should be short, sweet, and to the point. Ideas include product showcases, tutorials, user-generated content, and behind-the-scenes videos. 6. Leveraging TikTok features. Make use of TikTok features like challenges, duets, and trends to increase visibility and engagement. 7. Consistency and frequency. Consistency is key on TikTok. Post regularly and engage with your audience by responding to comments. 8. Collaborations. Collaborate with TikTok influencers or creators in your niche to promote your products. Influencer marketing can help you reach a wider audience. 9. Use hashtags. Research and use relevant hashtags to increase the discoverability of your content. 10. Add your store URL. Feel free to add your Shopify store URL to your TikTok bio. This makes it easy for interested viewers to find your store. 11. Run TikTok ads. Invest in TikTok ads to further promote your store and products to a broader audience. 12. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, questions, and messages promptly. Building a community around your brand is essential. 13. Monitor analytics. Use TikTok's analytics tools to track your performance. You can learn which content is working and adapt your strategy accordingly. 14. Implement e-commerce features. Consider using TikTok's e-commerce features like Shop Now buttons or collection ads to facilitate direct sales. 15. Utilize TikTok for remarketing. Use the TikTok pixel on your Shopify store to track visitors and run retargeting ads to capture potential customers who showed interest but didn't make a purchase. 16. Diversify your content. Apart from product promotion, create informative and entertaining content related to your niche. The more value you provide, the more followers you'll gain. 17. Continuous learning. Stay updated with TikTok trends and changes to keep your content fresh and engaging. All you need is patience, pro. Follow for more.